Hey, this is Mike again from J&M Reviews, and today I'm reviewing the Final Fantasy VII Remake book of Traces of Two Paths. So this is it's like little mini stories of Aerith and Tifa where they share their stories with each other. So I haven't finished the book. It's pretty thick. It's pretty big. I was surprised that it's such a pretty large book, as you can see on the inside. It's plenty to read. So if you're a Final Fantasy VII fan like myself, why I got this one, you definitely want to check it out. I'm more of a fan of Tifa, so Cloud and Tifa for me all the way. But yeah, so you do you. So I definitely wanted to learn more about their stories. I believe this is canon, so don't quote me, but I would look it up. But I hope it is because it would be great if all these stories are like legit. And I wish they would add more of this. Maybe even do like a DLC or something in the game. They can talk about this or a cutscene or something. I don't know, but it's nice that we get a little more content of or the both the leading ladies of the story in this book. So I hope you check it out. I hope you enjoy it.